Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I am explaining how you can use the RSI 50 level in your trading. Okay, so I have already made a video where I explained the 70 and 30 levels. But in this video, we will be using only the 50 level and discussing how you can use the RSI 50 level in your trading. So let's start our video. Those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description, so go and check it out. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. Let's move on to the video. Let me explain it to you. Whenever the RSI line touches the 50 level, you can proceed in the opposite direction. Okay, when the candle closes and the RSI line touches the 50 level, you can proceed in the opposite direction. So let me share some examples so that you can understand it better. Okay, here you can see that the candle closed at the 50 level. You can proceed for an upside move. Here, you can see that it was a win. Okay, so this is how you can use the 50 level. But make sure you take the trade in the direction of the trend. Let me share some live examples so that you can understand it better. Here you can see that the candle touched the 50 level, so you can proceed for an upside move. Let me find another example. Okay, I got a trade here, and I am proceeding with a $100 trade because the RSI line touched the 50 level. That's why I am proceeding for an upside move. Let's see what happens now. Currently, the trade is going in our favor. Okay, just a few seconds are left now, and we won the trade. So this is how you can use the RSI 50 level in your trading journey. If you use support and resistance along with it, you can get better accuracy. I have already made a video where I explained how to use support and resistance with the RSI 50 level, so you can check it out. I hope you understand the concept, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.